My name is Michelle Bañares. I've got a really exciting unboxing for you all. There is a bunch of new products that have dropped at Mecca and they've kindly sent that over and we're gonna have a play today. Before we get right into it, I'm going to give you a sneaky preview of what exactly we're working with today. First up, we've got the Skin Kind Face Oil by Kit, macadamia oil, holy basil oil, jojoba oil, literally all the good stuff. So very keen to try that one. We've got for foundation, Westman Atelier. If you have not heard of this brand before, I highly recommend you running to your closest Mecca once you've finished watching this video and trying her stuff because it is amazing. Cannot rave about this brand enough. For concealer, RMS, again, really love this stuff, but have not tried the concealer yet, so very keen to try that one. For blush and highlighter, we've got Rose Ink. I personally have not tried this brand before, but have heard only great things, so very excited. For the eyes, we've got Mecca Max Zoom Shadow Sticks. I love using this for a smoked out wing, and it makes things easier because I don't have to constantly dip my brush into an eyeshadow. You could literally do one line of this and just like blow it out. For eyebrows, we've got Kosas and we've got the mascara by Mecca Max to play with. For bronzer, Hourglass, another iconic brand. I'm so excited. This lineup of products is everything, so let's have a play. I've already gone ahead and prepped my skin off camera. The last thing I need to do is lock everything in. So we're gonna use the Skin Kind Face Oil. Can we talk about the skin after that? Love. Next up, we've got foundation and we're using the Vital Skin Foundation Stick by Westman Atelier. I still need to swatch myself, so it's between these two shades. Yeah, that's like literally the perfect match. I'm gonna keep the base really, really light. This is the shade Atelier V. Literally think that this is like a spot on match. We love that for us. A stippling brush. I love a product that gives me that no makeup look, effortless, and I feel like this foundation just does that. That shade match is literally to the T. Wow, they're so chic. For concealer, we are using RMS Beauty Cover Up in shade 33. I'm just gonna use my finger. I'm gonna dab it in and then I'll get a brush and further blend it out. We're adding concealer just on my T-zone, so under the eyes, sides of my nose, on my chin. Literally, look at that. Blends so well. That's gonna replace the concealer that I'm using now. It blends so perfectly. Next, blush. The blush, we've got Rose Ink Lip and Cheek color in shade Dahlia. Like, how pretty is that color? I'm gonna use my fingers and then we'll use a brush. Ooh, wow. One fact about me is the more versatile a product is, the more I gravitate towards that, because being a mum, I do not have time to work with palettes or anything like that because I need something that's going to be super easy. I can have it in my handbag. Can we talk about this color? Put the excess on the back of my hand, but you could dab it in and then put it on top of your nose to give you that like really subtle sun-kissed look. I also like to put blush on my forehead to bring color back into my face. I'm definitely looking at more shades from Rose Ink because that is stunning. I love it. Moving on to bronzer, which I probably should have done before blush, but we're doing things differently today. Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light, stunning. Pressing that brush. or you could just put it on the tip and swirl it around. Another thing that I like to do with bronzer is applying it on the eye. So I'll like just add some there and there. Yes, it says it's a bronzer, but you can use it on your eyes as well, which I love because you can always put the excess on your eyes and not have to think about eyeshadow. Love that. Moving on to highlighter, we are again using rose ink, opalescent. I think I'm saying that right. Again, using my hands. It's giving glazed donut vibes, which is always the vibe. Even though it's winter here in Australia, we still want to look like a glazed donut at all times. I will be running to Mecca to stock more on these two. Normally I would do brows first, which is very weird for me. I think because I got a little too carried away, I completely forgot, but we're gonna do brows now. And we're using the Kosas Air Brow. I already have this and love it, so I'm glad that they sent this over. I love a fluffy brow. Look at that. I like to brush up and then out. Growing up, I wanted to have thin brows and I'd plucked my own brows. Now that bushy brows are here to stay, I am very, very glad. Airbrow, you're the one. So we're gonna do a sneaky liner and we're gonna use Espresso. Yeah, so shade Espresso. You wanna go as close to your lash line and do a line like this. Get a brush and just basically smoke it out. You do the same on the other side. Smoke it out. Being a mum, you literally do not have time to do anything. When I'm shooting, I need the products on my makeup to be very quick, very easy. This allows me to do my eyeshadow in like less than a minute. I could probably end up using this as a lip liner. Like, I will turn any product to anything. Is the eyes. If you wanted to elevate the look or make it a bit more of a date night look, I would probably either add this shade on my waterline, or I could add the same shade and just drag it under the eye. To finish off everything, we're gonna add mascara using the IMAX Mega Volume Mascara. That was a mouthful, but we got there in the end. I'm not that much of a mascara gal. If I'm doing an eye like this, to help kind of finish the eye or bring the color out, I do like to add mascara. So this is the finished look. I'm dying at this blush and this highlighter. Wow. We're gonna call this look Easy Glazed Donut Vibes in under 5 minutes. Yeah, so that's the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope there was also 1 or 2 products that you loved and now want to go run to Mecca to try for yourself. If you do, let me know. That's the video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.